My goal right now is to get this trailer moved into the workshop to start prototyping the tilting solar arrays before the trailer I ordered for the government contract shows up at my door. Which means I should probably address the elephant in the room. Quick update though, I just hopped on a call with Kevin and we decided to go ahead and order the battery and inverter equipment so that it can just be on its way and we don't have to think about it until it arrives. Hey Kevin.
Yo, what's up man, how are you?
I'm good, a little tired, but I'm good.
I think we're gonna spend the next month of our life a little tired.
Anyway, you ready to spend a bunch of money?
Let's do it.
Inverter and batteries are ordered, plus a bunch of other equipment. This is the core of the system that we ordered, an 18K PV with 3 of the 280 amp hour all-weather wall mount batteries. That means in total, the trailer will have about 43 kilowatt hours of battery storage with a 12,000 watt output inverter. And yeah, this thing's gonna be a bit of a beast. This is my original solar-powered lawn care trailer that I built a while back. It's also the reason I kind of got into YouTube, was to show it. And the crazy part is almost 400,000 people have watched the build video for this thing. It's an absolute mess right now, but I'm getting it ready to sell to my friend and he's gonna power his off-grid cabin with it. I had to do some repairs to the frame because this trailer's so old and wobbly and it just wasn't safe to go down the road anymore. Okay, a lot wobbly. But I also just added an extra server rack battery that he had bought for this purpose. And the last thing I'm gonna do is install a 30 amp inlet and outlet so that he can both charge the trailer up and power his off-grid cabin. So this is probably a good opportunity to answer some of the questions I've been getting about my solar powered lawn care business. I wanna run through a question or two that I've gotten recently. Let's see. You guys, I really, really appreciate that you're ordering t-shirts, but I kind of feel like I'm not going to be able to deliver this trailer in time if I keep getting them. I have 5 more orders to fulfill. All right, I'm going to go smash these out. I'll be right back. David from Oklahoma, Wayne from New Jersey, Wesley from Ohio, Brandon from Alabama, Greg from West Virginia. Thank you guys very, very much. Okay, where was I? Yes. This question comes from Charge State 42. Love the name, by the way. Congratulations, I'm just curious, are you still running a lawn care business on top of all of this, or have you shifted it completely into solar? I enjoy your videos and look forward to more. First off, thank you so much for saying that. That's actually really kind. To answer your question, no, I'm actually no longer doing lawn care. And the reason for that is the answer to the next question as well. This one is from Poland 153. Fun stuff. Did you not have many people interested in your original plans from previous videos or offering to build trailers for people? Actually, I had a lot of interest in my plans for the kit or trailers or whatever, and that is why I've stopped doing lawn care. But just so you guys are aware, I did this massive filming project with this trailer before I stopped. I basically took it and had a ton of sensors, inverter power, solar power, BMS in the lawnmower, my watch for GPS, heart rate, weather station, wind direction, decibel meter. I took all these sensors and filmed a bunch of lawn care videos with it, and I found a way to take all that data and overlay it on screen while the video was playing real time, so you could see exactly how much power something was using or how much the solar was producing. I got like 90% through editing the first video and I was just exhausted and I haven't posted it yet. So I still have them, I still need to do it. So this is not the last of the trailer that you've seen or my lawn care stuff, but I did want to be clear, you know, I'm no longer doing lawn care. Maybe Steve from earlier this morning can answer better the plan for possibly coming back to lawn care. I did make that decision to stop the lawn care business, and I have been kind of afraid to tell you guys because it felt like that's really what you latched onto in the beginning. Hey, I'm doing this cool thing, and all these people come around, and then it's like, well, actually I quit because, you know, I'm gonna go pursue something else. In the same vein, I think, and hopefully if this works out for me, I can jump back into the lawn care and landscape business, maybe a different game plan and different resources as well. So I was bootstrapping the lawn care. I'm bootstrapping this business now too, but I think if this one works out well, we can jump back into that one in full force. We'll see, I don't know. There's more to the story. There was a lot going on with me mentally, physically, but this is the gist of it. I really saw the opportunity here and I wanted to focus on that. But yeah, I'm no longer mowing. Thank you for asking that question. Any other follow-up question, just let me know. I'll try and answer it as best I can. All right, I gotta get back to running. Hopefully that makes sense. I love it up here. I come up here pretty much every time I come out for a run. There's a train bridge right there. That's actually where the boosters for the shuttle and Artemis program would go across to the Space Center. And somewhere way over there, that's pad 39A right there. That's where astronauts went to the moon. That's where SpaceX launches from, the shuttle launched from, and where Starship will actually launch from. Okay, I know it doesn't seem like it, but it's actually pretty late, and time just got away from me today. I know it doesn't seem like I did much today, but I promise there was a lot of other admin stuff going on, and you know, whatever. It is what it is. Tomorrow morning, I'll be back in to do some stuff. I might work on some things while the video is uploading tonight, but thanks for all the t-shirt orders today. That was really awesome and quite a surprise. Zachary from Pennsylvania, you thought you could sneak your order in late and miss day 3? I don't think so. Subscribe or something. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to bed soon. Yeah.